Click on the link below to get price. The Nikon AF-S DX NIKKOR 16-80mm f/2. 8-4 EED vibration reduction zoom lens is an exceptional piece of glass that has quickly become a staple in my photography kit. This lens is designed for DX format cameras, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts and professionals who value versatility and quality in their imaging. One of its standout features is the constant f/2. 8:4 aperture. This allows for beautiful background blur while maintaining impressive sharpness across various focal lengths. The zoom range, equivalent to 24 to 120 mm in 35 mm terms, makes it incredibly versatile for a range of photography styles, from landscapes to portraits. The lens performs admirably in low-light situations, thanks to the wider aperture, giving users the ability to shoot handheld at lower shutter speeds without compromising quality. Nikon's vibration reduction (VR) technology is another significant advantage. The lens minimizes camera shake, allowing for steadier shots, which is particularly beneficial when shooting at longer focal lengths or in challenging lighting conditions. The lens also features an enhanced coating that reduces flare and ghosting, ensuring your images are vibrant and clear even in bright conditions. Build quality is top-notch. The lens feels solid yet lightweight, thanks to its advanced materials. The focus and zoom rings are smooth and responsive, allowing for precise adjustments. Additionally, the lens incorporates weather sealing, which is invaluable for outdoor photography, giving peace of mind in less than ideal conditions. While the price point may be higher than entry-level zoom lenses, the image quality, build, and performance justify the investment. This lens is ideal for photographers looking to elevate their craft without the need for multiple lenses. Overall, the Nikon AF-S DX NIKKOR 16-80mm f/2. 8-4 EED VR is a fantastic choice for anyone serious about photography, delivering excellent performance and versatility in a compact package.